I think the good news is that the principles of venture-based investing are pretty easy to grasp and internalize within your own companies. So we've boiled them down into 7 that you can take back to work after this episode. And the first thing that you have to do is to assemble a team of investors inside your company. At Future Foundry, when we help clients to do this, we call them the Innovation Engine Board, and it's usually made up of a group of senior execs whose job it is to act as the internal VC to your ideas, right? You know, the ventures, products and services that you're working on, but they also act as a fiduciary for the company's overall investment in them. You know, these are people who can step out of their traditional managerial roles and adopt the mindset of an investor, advocating for growth, encouraging very strategic risk-taking, and guiding you and, the rest of the innovation team on what it is that you need to prove to raise the investment in your ideas at different checkpoints, just in the same way that, a traditional VC would. Now, this might seem like a big change in mindset for some of the leaders within your organizations to make, but it is critical if you're going to drive successful corporate innovation.